Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share 9 AI tools that help you create your online course faster with less effort. We'll see how you can plan your content, create lesson videos, design slides, generate visuals, and prepare everything for launch all using AI. These tools will help you go from a course idea to a finished product much faster. So watch till the end and make sure you don't miss any of them. I'm Brian from Website Learners and let's get started. The first tool on the list is ChatGPT. It can help you easily create well-organized course outline from raw course materials. You can just send the course materials you have and ask ChatGPT to create the outline. To make this even easier for you, I've created a prompt to create the course outline, which you can find in the description below. Just go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, then upload your course content. This could be a PDF, notes, or any material that you already have. Now ChatGPT analyzes your content and generates a complete course structure. You can see it will break your topic into logical modules, suggest lesson titles, and even provide learning objectives, giving you a clear roadmap for your entire course. Now that we have a clear course outline, the next tool can help you turn that content into an actual lesson video. Let's move on to the second tool, VideoMule. VideoMule is an AI tutorial maker which can turn raw recordings into polished course lessons.
Hi guys! In this video, we're going to see how to upload a video on Vimeo. First, we'll click on the Create button and select Upload from the drop-down menu.
It automatically writes the script, generates a professional AI voiceover, and perfectly syncs everything with your video. Go to VideoMule, click here. You just have to record your screen, or you can even upload your recorded video. I'm going to record now. So select the screen you want to record and start the recording. Once it is done, click here and it will be automatically uploaded here. Give your video a title and the tool organizes your content into a complete training video with the structured script and the editing already done. If you want to change the script, you can do it right here. You can also regenerate the voiceover and see a preview of your video. Then it will take you to the editor page. Here you can see that the voice has been generated for the video and the editing is automatically done.
Hi guys! In this video, we're going to see how to remove background from images for free step by step.
Once you're happy with the result, you can generate the final video and then download it. Sometimes certain concepts are easier to understand with visuals and animations. The next tool allows you to generate animated explainer videos for specific parts of your lesson. Here's an example. The tool that we are going to use is called Claude. We'll install Claude on our desktop, switch to code mode, and install a specific skill that allows it to generate animations. Once that is set up, we can simply describe the animation we want and it will create the animated video for us. Let's quickly see how it works. First, let's download and install the Claude desktop app. This web version is good for writing, but only the desktop app can access your local files, install skills, and render outputs directly on your computer. Skills are specific tasks or instructions that help Claude perform specialized works. Once installed, go to the Code tab. Next, you need to select a folder where you want to save the generated video files. Next, we need to install the Remotion skill in Claude. This turns Claude from a coding assistant into a full video generation engine. To install the Remotion skill in Claude, just copy and paste the command provided below in the description. Once installed, Claude will now be able to automatically generate video projects. Here you can enter the type of animation you want. I'm going to enter create a modern cinematic animated course video on Python, if else condition, complete overview, and attach the course content you want to animate. Once you send the prompt, Claude creates the full video project. Remotion Studio will open automatically. You can review the animated scenes on the timeline. As you can see, it just turned our text content into clean, smooth visuals that explain the topic step by step, and the animations look great. But as you can see, there are a few empty frames between the scenes. So to fix that, let's take a screenshot of this page. Let's go back to Claude, describe the changes you'd like to make to the video, and it will solve the issues immediately. To view the updates, click on the live link And as you can see, the changes have been applied. Once everything looks good, click on render to export your final video. And now we have successfully generated fully animated lessons. Now with Claude, you can also create PPT slides from your course materials, which you can use for webinars or course previews. We'll also use Claude again to automatically create a PowerPoint presentation from your course material. We'll now install the PPTX skill, which allows Claude to create PowerPoint files directly. To install PPTX skill in Claude, just copy and paste the command provided in the description below. Once installed, Claude can generate complete slide decks from your content. Now enter a prompt describing how you like the presentation to be created based on your course material. Attach your documents or course outline and click send. Claude reads your content and builds a PowerPoint presentation with clear slide titles and sections. Now Claude shows the location where the presentation is saved, so let's go to the file path. To preview the PowerPoint, open Google Drive and upload it. Let's open it using Google Slides. And Slides will automatically load the presentation. You can see it has already formatted and it is ready to use for your course content. Just scroll through each slide to review the content and make sure everything looks right. Great! The presentation looks clean and well organized. In just a few minutes, we've generated a full presentation deck, and now that our presentation is ready, you can use it for teaching, webinars or course downloads. Now you can convert this entire slide deck into a video lesson with AI voiceover and background music without recording anything. So that's exactly what we're going to do next. The next tool on our list is called Google Vids. With this tool, you can transform your presentation slides into a complete video. Just click on File, then choose Convert to Video to import your slides into Google Vids. Enable the option to include AI voiceover, script narration, and background music in your video, and click Import. Now Google Vids converts each slide into a video scene. As you can see, our slides appear inside the video editor timeline and it is ready to be customized. You can also add animations to this video. Just click on the animation icon, choose an animation style you like, and click Apply.
Welcome to our Python programming video, designed to take you from basics to advanced mastery.
Next, go to the VoiceOver tab, and Google Vids will automatically generate a script for each slide. You can edit the script to match your teaching style, and you can choose the voice you like.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your video. It should fit your video's purpose and style.
Then click on Update VoiceOver to get the narration.
Welcome to our Python programming course, created to help you progress from beginner concepts to professional-level skills. This course.
Once everything looks good, go to File, click on Download. Now choose MP4 video, and the video exports automatically.
Welcome to our Python programming course, created to help you progress from beginner concepts to professional-level skills. This course features over 8 modules, is 100% hands-on, and is suitable for all levels,
giving you a ready-to-upload content created directly from your slides. In just a few minutes, your presentation has been transformed into a fully narrated course video. Let's move on to the next tool, which is called Venngage. Venngage is an AI tool that helps you turn your course content into clean, professional infographics. This helps viewers understand the content faster than watching an explanation video. Head out to Venngage.com, click on Infographics. Just describe the content you want to turn into an infographic here, and click Generate. The AI automatically organizes your information into a structured infographic layout. You can edit any element inside the design, adjust the text, replace icons, update colors, or add your own branding. If you want to change a logo or image, simply click on it and upload your own file. The editor makes it easy to align everything with your course style. Once you're happy with the design, click here to download it. Now we have created clean professional visuals ready for our lessons. The next step is explaining the content. Normally this would mean being on camera, setting up lights and recording videos. So instead of filming ourselves, we'll use an AI talking avatar to explain everything. Let's move on to the next tool, GravityWrite. It's an all-in-one tool that helps you generate voiceover from your text, create AI avatars and clone your own voice and create your own AI avatar too. So to create your own AI avatar, click on Video Generator. Then click here and select AI avatar video. And here you can either enter your script or you can upload an audio recording of what you want to say. Next, upload a picture of the person whose AI avatar that you want to make. And select the aspect ratio. Once that is done, click Generate. And your AI avatar video will be generated right here. Hi guys, I'm not Brian. I'm his AI talking avatar, and in this video, Brian's going to show you how to build your own AI agent. As you can see, it turned out amazing. The facial expressions, hand gestures, lip sync, everything looks natural. If everything looks good, simply download the final video file. And in just a few clicks, you've created an AI avatar without recording yourself on camera. You also have the option to clone your voice. Just upload a short sample of your voice. Click on Continue to Details. And the tool will create a cloned version instantly. Once it is ready, you can use it anytime for your lessons. Now that we can create talking avatar videos, let's take it one step further and make those avatars sound exactly like you. Let's move on to the next tool, which is Fish Audio. This AI voice cloning tool lets you generate content in your own voice. Let's head over to Fish Audio and click on Sign Up. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Voice Cloning to start creating your custom voice model. Now upload a clear audio sample of your voice.
Welcome to eLearning Academy, where knowledge meets convenience.
And click Continue. Give your voice model a name, add tags if needed, accept the terms, and click Create. Fish Audio processes your sample and builds your custom voice clone. When your voice is ready, click on Use Voice, paste your script into the text editor, and click Generate. The AI converts your plain text into natural sounding speech using your cloned voice.
Your brain treats every notification like a tiny emergency.
Perfect, right? It sounds just like the original voice. Once you're satisfied with the result, click on Download to save the audio file. In just a few minutes, you can generate professional narration in your own voice without recording every lesson manually. Now that we can generate professional voiceovers in our own voice, let's go to the final tool, Notebook LM. This tool will turn your course materials into a complete video. Just go to Notebook LM in Google and click on Try Notebook LM to get started. Create a new notebook and upload your course materials. This includes PDFs, lesson notes, or other reference materials. Once your files are uploaded, Notebook LM analyzes your content, and if you click on Generate, Notebook LM generates a narrated overview of the video from your materials. When the video is ready, preview it to make sure it covers your key points.
All right, welcome. Today, we are diving into the single most fundamental idea in all of programming.
Then click on Menu and select Download to save the course video. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional course video that can be used for introductions, marketing, or onboarding students, and more. So that's it, guys. These are the 9 AI tools that every course creator should know. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite and which one you'll try first. Now you can find the links to all these tools in the description below. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like and subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this one. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.